I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it from me. If your Pinterest account has been suspended, don't worry, you can take steps to recover it. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Check your email. Look in your inbox for any messages from Pinterest regarding the suspension. They often provide details about why your account was suspended and what you need to do next. Step 2. Review Pinterest policies. Familiarize yourself with Pinterest community guidelines and policies to understand what might have led to the suspension. This will help you address the issue effectively. Step 3. Submit an appeal. Before starting recovery, use the Azure.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Be patient. After submitting your appeal, wait for a response from Pinterest. It may take a few days for them to review your case, so be patient during this time. Step 5. Follow up. If you haven't received a response within a week, consider following up with Pinterest through their support channels. Sometimes, a gentle reminder can speed things up. Remember, recovering a suspended account can take time, but following these steps will increase your chances of getting back on Pinterest. Good luck!